Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you kind of a different plan with me. This one I'm actually going to do pretty much the whole way through. Yep, I think so, because I want to show you the new format for the monthly. So this, normally my monthlies are only 2 pages and they're very basic because I wanted them to go for pretty much any planner style that you have, whether your column is on the right or the left or however your setup is. So I thought it was kind of limited by the way that I did it. So I kind of took some other ideas from other monthlies that I've seen out there that I really enjoyed, but I wanted to still make sure that you could use this planner, whether you have right, left, whether you want to do a Monday or a Sunday start, no matter how you want to do it. So I think I've mastered it. So, and the other thing I want to tell you about really quick. So this one is for December. This is the only one I've made in the new format. I'm going to kind of test it out, see what you guys think. I want as much feedback as I can possibly get from you guys, but I don't normally use Kitness Girl Jess artwork that often because it's out there. You know, everybody uses it. All the big companies use her artwork. She does a lot of exclusives for like SPC and Crest Press, stuff like that. But there are a couple of things in her shop that I've had to have. Lord of the Rings, Supernatural, and this. So this one's called Gingerbread, and this is what, like, my brain, she could have crawled into my head and pulled out my idea of the perfect holiday setting and put it on paper, because this is just absolutely phenomenal. So this box, and then there's a kitchen scene that I absolutely love. I did make a kit to go with this. There's a full kit, a daily kit, a PP weeks, and a hobo, plus the monthly. So you have plenty of artwork to choose from if you decide that you absolutely love this and you want it. I have all of the kits available, but the monthly is, you'll see when I lay it down. So look at this. Look at this living room. Oh, God, it's so gorgeous with the big tree and all above. Oh my gosh, it just absolutely love this. Love, love, love it. So I have, if you can see down here, there's a couple couches on either side. You've got the fireplace in the middle and the stockings. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I put the tree and a part of the wall here in the sidebar to go here. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. And in the meantime, you're just going to have to listen to me ramble because I'm kind of doing this in real time, which I don't normally do, but it's easier for me to explain what my thought process is if I have you here with me while I put it down. So top bars. So the top bars can go either right or left. So what I did was you can go like this or you can go like this. It doesn't matter. But what does matter is depending on which side your sidebar is on. So let's start. I'm going to start with, yep, this is the one. So because my sidebar is on this side, I'm going to start with this one over here. And I'm just going to pull up my top piece right here. So this one is going to go, you see how it's got the, like the little, what's this, plaid stripe at the bottom that's really kind of washed out. That just lets you know that that's where the dates go when you put it together. And hopefully, this is my first time using this kit, so if I messed up on the measurements, you and I are both going to find that out together. Holy moly, it's perfect. So this is the TPC Hybrid Planner, but this should also work theoretically with pretty much any monthly view on any planner. Now, the trick here is this part right here. So if you have on this side, if this sidebar is over here, you're going to want to use this page, and you'll see why. It'll come, wait, I'm sorry, this page. It'll come clear here in a minute, but this box right here is just an extra box. Okay, so you have either your 3 boxes. So if your sidebar was over here, it would be these 3. Sidebars over here, it's these 3. So you have the 3 here, but since my sidebar is on this side, we're going to use this one, which is going to go on this side. And we are going to just line it up right underneath. And try not to have too much of a gap, which I kind of have a gap a little bit because I'm not very good at lining things up. Yeah, I messed up, but you get the idea. I messed up. There's a little bit of a gap right there, but if you're even marginally able to line things up, you're going to do 100 times better than I do. So for this one, it says a Sunday start. These are all individually cut days. So you just pull them out. I'm going to use my tweezers because it's easier to lay stuff down. And I'm going to show you where to go. So this should fit right in here. And there's your Sunday start. And that way, if you wanted to have it be a Monday start, you could do that because these are separate. They're not a part of the strip. Now for this side, it's the same exact thing. So you're going to take off your top piece and you're going to put it at the top, and hopefully maybe I can do better. You know, the other reason why I can't do this straight is because I have a camera right over my head and I can't look directly over the top of my planner. So if it comes out crooked, I'm sorry. I can't. If I stuck my head where I could actually see, you wouldn't be able to see. And then the 3-piece will go here. This is like planner made easy. So this is a monthly view with everything you could hopefully possibly need. And the other reason why I wanted to redo my, oh look, much better that time. Why I wanted to redo my monthlies is because I am really needing to use my monthly view more functionally, but I still want it to look fabulous. So because of that, I am needing to have a lot more boxes, and this one comes with 3 pages. So you have all of your numbers are here. You've got your days of the week here, but you've got enough boxes here, a couple little pieces here for things like payday or whatever at the bottom. You've got labels, you've got some scripts here. You've got plenty of stuff to really use your planner functionally instead of it just looking pretty. So that was my goal in making this was, you know, all of my, I love making stuff for you guys, but honestly, a lot of why I make the things that I make is because I need it. I need it. So for this one, because the sidebar is on this side, we've got our 3 boxes over here and our 4 over here, but this you would just reverse if your sidebar was over here. So super, super easy. And now we can just chat about some other fun things. There's a couple of extra boxes on here. So if you've had like a couple of days at the end of the month that, you know, don't have anything in them, you've got a couple more boxes here that you can use to fill in the spaces. And let me grab my phone, my other phone, so I can see what the heck day, because this is for December. I have to kind of look and see what day December 1st is, because I don't know. It's on a Wednesday. So I'm going to finish putting down the days of the week. So we're going to start with the Sunday, because this is a Sunday start calendar. So Monday. And I made these nice and bright. Nothing is going to be hidden by anything. You can see your days of the week nice and easy from far away. You can just take a peek at your calendar from across the room and you can tell what day of the week it is. Nothing's hiding. And then I also have both kinds. So I have either the clear, let me pull one out and show you. I have either the clear ones that you could put up here, but I feel like that's going to get hidden because of all the beautiful artwork. So now I also have, I'm gonna get it. This one. So this has the white background. So we're gonna use the white background up here, and this is an extra thing. It's a monthly add-on script that is also in the shop. So if you need that, you've got it. If you don't need it, I'm not giving you more stuff for you to try to figure out where to store. Friday, Saturday, and then I also put a this month in here. So you can use that over your sidebar if you want to, which I'm going to, or you can leave it blank, do whatever you like. I think this looks so good. That's so good. Okay, so it starts on a Wednesday, is the 1st. So I'm just going to start pulling off my numbers and putting them down. And I'm going to put them in this top corner here. I did also do these in the white, with the white background instead of giving you like an extra sheet with the clear ones, only because it's just easier to put all 3 sheets on the same page, on the same run, instead of splitting things up and giving you smaller sheets. And your paper's white, so most of these will be with the right colored background and you'll be able to see them nicely. And I'm just going to keep putting these down. And what can we chat about? So I'm sorry about the long sleeves. I feel like most of the videos you guys see me in for the next few months are going to be like this because it is dang cold here. Tonight we actually have a fire in the fireplace going because it is like 30 degrees outside. I'm pretty sure it's going to snow next week. At least that's what it said on my little weather app. So I'm trying to get my my vehicles ready for the snow, get my kids' vehicles ready for the snow, because the one that just moved up here last month has never driven in snow in his whole entire life. So it's going to be quite an interesting challenge for him. And he has a car with a lease. So he really, really is struggling with getting, he doesn't want to spend the money on winter tires because it's a car that he's going to be turning in like 5 months, because that's when his lease is up, which I don't blame him. But now he's got to figure out how to get around on just regular street tires in the snow. And usually, like the last, I'm going to say like 3 years since I've been up here in the Northwest, we've had snow in October. I mean, a pretty decent amount of snow in October, like a bit of a dump of snow. And then it will fade away, and then we'll get like very little to nothing until January, and then we'll get dumped on all the way through like March, sometimes even into April. This year we got no snow at all in October, and I feel like it's like a little ominous, like this is going to be a hell of a winter. I feel like we're going to get a lot of snow at the normal snow time, so it'll probably be a white Christmas for a change, and it's probably going to be a really good ski season up here. So yeah, I'm going to get ready for that, and we're already using the fireplace, so it's going to be also an expensive winter because we're going to go through a lot of wood this year. So I'm almost putting down my date dots. And then we can figure out if we have any extra boxes so we can put our other artwork in the other boxes. And then I don't really have, because this is for December, I just wanted to try it out, make sure everything fit, and show you all the things. And I've done that. I don't really have a whole lot of stuff to put in here as far as using labels and whatnot, but I will put down the things that I know so you can see how they fit in the boxes. But there's that. And so I'm going to put down this gorgeous like kitchen scene right here in this box right here, because why not? Leave no box naked, right? There it is. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. So you've got tons and tons of boxes. You've got lots and lots of labels and stuff. And so one of the things that I think, let me just double check. I know I'm leaving you hanging, but I want to double check and see about some of the dates that I'm going to put down for this planner here so that you can see how the labels and stuff work. So I want to say, yeah, it was the 9th. So the TPC sale for December is on the 9th. It goes to the 9th through the 13th. So let's put those down. So you've got this size label right here, which should fit right here. So you can put something in there. You've got a bigger one here, which I can put here because I actually have a few different things to put on that day. So you can see the bigger labels fit right inside there. We've got this one. So always, this is the easy one to figure out. Big Ol' Live is always the day before the TPC sale. So that can go right there. So you can see what sizes these are, right? Then there's a few scripts in here, and I put the scripts. None of these pertain to any of the boxes that I put down, except this one right here. So every TPC sale, I tried to put in my order to all of the shops that I need to buy from for that month obviously before the end of the sale. But I always try to do it at a decent enough time in the sale so that they're not like having to rush at the last minute to do my orders. So there, order stickers. So I can order my stickers. You've also got some little icons in here with like travel, doctor's appointments, phone calls, paid credit cards. Paydays are the little piggies, nail appointment, dog, another car, haircut, refill meds, shopping, birthday. Got some flags on here. Like I said, I gave you lots of little labels, like appointment labels, lots of boxes here, extra stuff to put on. And then last but not least is to put on the month. So for this one, I'm going to put it right here. And there it is. So I've still got all of this left over, which I will put in the little sleeve and then add to this as I go. And I think an example of this hopefully, I might not be able to show you because I probably have a lot of information on here that I shouldn't show you, only because it's not time yet. Yeah. It's gorgeous, but I can't show it to you because there's a lot of stuff on here that hasn't been announced yet. So if I put it out there now, that would be bad. But I use a ton of these and I write in every single one of them stuff that is due. Since this is my shop planner, this is where this is going to go. So here it is. And that's it. I hope you guys like this new setup. I hope this works for you. Like I said, works left, right, hopefully pretty much any of the standard size planners out there. So this is a 7x9. This is my TPC hybrid. But the actual monthly, actually, this would have been a good one to show you too, if I had more than one. So the Avalon and Ninth would be a perfect example of the sidebar being on the other side. So this one, we'll try this one for a January. I'll do the January kit and then I'll do the plan with me in this one so that you can see how it lines up on this side. I believe the boxes, I'm not sure. I'll have to double check, but these boxes might be a tiny bit smaller than the TPC boxes. I'll have to measure them and see. So you might have to do a little bit of sticker surgery, but on the smaller ones, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that until after I've had a chance to measure everything and make the kit. But there it is. Hope you guys like it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and leave them down at the bottom or email me, message me on Instagram. Hop over to the Facebook group, ask questions there. Got some fabulous PR girls that can answer you, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.